Hello, today I want to unbox another Michael Kors bag from semi-annual sale, and it was bigger sale than normal because it was even additional 25% off and then 10% off from the sale for Michael Kors VIP users. So I've got one more thing. Let's open it. So box came here and it comes with envelope which has just some note. Here is the box. It looks really cute as this bag isn't too big, I guess. Let's open it. Okay, ribbon came off. Ta-da! And here we have the bag. I really like this box. Great way to keep your pocketbooks inside. So let's open this. So here is the bag. Here is the bag. Model is called Sloan Small Floral Scalloped Leather Shoulder Bag in black. So this beautiful bag looks like this. So let's see. It has this interesting opening. You have to pull like this and then it opens like so. Wow, it looks really nice, and it has those nice scalloped leather, and in front it looks like this. It's made from lamb leather, so this leather is more delicate and it has to be careful. You have to be, because it's easy to scratch, but it's more delicate and soft. And the bag looks the same, also has those scalloped stuff. Bottom looks like this. It looks like a dress. Really cute. And it smells really nice with leather. So the bag has pocket here and the back here. That is lined inside. Then here it's nice because this part is also covered with leather, so it's really nice. Inside it looks like this. It has here a zipper pocket here, then one compartment, then a zipper pocket here. You can put something here. Here's dust bag too, and then the another compartment with a slip pocket right here. So yeah, and I really like how it smells. Also, another reason why I got it is the belt, because it has a belt, I mean strap, which is this kind, and here. So it has strap like this, and here is the chain, and it has this kind of chain strap that it's like chain, this kind, and let's remove it. We don't need to keep it. Like just this. So it has nice long strap that can be worn like this, or like a long one. Really cute, and it was on sale. I'm really glad I got it. So I show you how it can be worn. So you can wear it like this, like so, or you can wear it like normal, like shoulder bag. This bag reminds me of Chanel boy or something like that, on the chain. Yeah, so these chains are really nice, and it's really great. It's really great pocketbook. It's really better than Chanel in my opinion, because it's also made from lambskin, and it's interesting design, and it's really not expensive, so it's a great bag. So yeah, I really like my new cute bag. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like such videos, then give thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.